Hi Lily, this will be some video feedback for you on the magazine ad design. We've got a month left, so if you have any questions or if I can help you in any way, don't hesitate to reach out at the number I publish in my announcements. From now until the end of the term, I bid you strength. Lily, when I try to open your Illustrator file, I'm getting that's Lola's. I'm getting an error message. And, let me show you what that, this means that you have linked images rather than embedded them. So I'll show you what we get if I just click through these things. Now I know that you've included them, elsewhere in that folder, but I wouldn't expect the Service Bureau to know that, or, if you were to get this printed. The other thing that I don't have are the typefaces that you've used. And so I'm also missing, any images that might fall in here. Now, to place an image, it's fairly simple. I'm in Illustrator, it's File, Place, and then fish around for something. I'm just going to use with a silly cover from Spoof on Vanity Fair. Make sure that this is not checked, okay? Because if it's checked, you'll wind up linking and they won't be visible. Then go ahead and hit Place, put your image wherever you want it. And you know that it is embedded rather than linked when you don't see an X through the box. Okay, so that's how you do that. I'm going to open it up in Acrobat just to comment on the design, since I can't really do much if you haven't embedded your images. Lily, you should know that you can open Illustrator files in Acrobat, and it will give you what you think you're missing, by not embedding images. So I really like these brushstroke borders, I guess. They're both wave-like, water-like. I like your addition of type. Be careful not to distort the logo. This looks squashed laterally. And this script is okay. It competes a little bit, I think, against this script. Interesting approach, very, very timely CBD treatments. Watch your margins. Magazines are trimmed, and so, it's likely that you would lose some of this, maybe the descenders. Think of how you can simplify the contact information. Contemporary ways are just a mere, QR code sometimes. Might be more visual. I like that you have contrasted scale of this circular motif against this one. And is this, meant to imply that it's pet friendly? That's definitely a new, oh, I see. There's a foster program. That's an interesting approach, that and this. Typographically, you've got a lot of different type variations. You've got this size and this face, this size, that face. This looks a little bit smaller. This is yet smaller, and this, I don't know if these two are the same size, but see if you can consolidate things. And then lastly, think about some way to organize your information, maybe with a few vertical axes that fall down to the left of the word mark. Think about, too, the rule of thirds, which is a way that photographers and videographers use to organize their fields. Okay, I'm going to leave it here, Lily. I'm glad I was able to open it. Try to remember to embed images.